Hello children, in the previous class we have started the chapter subtraction of numbers. Let's finish this chapter. Some odd problems are given here based on the subtraction of the numbers. The first one, company produced 3,21,546 radio sets in 1993 and 4,12,345 radio sets in 1994. Find the increase in production of the radio sets. There are amount of radios that produced in the year 1993 and 1994. You have to find out what is the increase of the number. Simply subtract them. Simply subtract 3,21,546 from 4,12,345 and you will get the answer 90,799. That is the answer. These are very simple. Okay, let's go to the exercise. 6,86,270 people live in Vishal Nagar. 4,03,612 people live in Chotapur. Where do more people live and how many more live there? This is the answer. Simply subtract those numbers and we will get the answer, and the answer is 2,82,605. Next question. A factory produced 57,689 electric bulbs in 1 year. The next year it produced 66,798 bulbs. By how much did the factory's production increase? In a year there is a number of bulb production, and in the next year it produced a number of bulb. You have to find out what is the increase of the number. Simply subtract and we will get the answer, and the answer is 9,109. Next, question number 3. A poultry farm sold 35,287 eggs in 1994 and in 1995 it sold 3,156, less than that in 1994. So if we subtract 3,156 from 35,287 and we will get the answer, and the production the selling of egg, the number of selling of egg in 1995 is 32,131. Question number 4. A flat cost 4,51,300 rupees. Mr. Murthy wants to buy the flat, but he has 4,07,895 rupees only. How much more money does he need to buy the flat? Okay, simply subtract these numbers and the answer is 43,405. Question number 5. A forest has 2,07,895 trees, out of which 83,649 are teak trees. How many other trees are there in the forest? Total number of trees in a forest is 2,07,895, and among them the number of teak trees are 83,649. To get the number of other trees, you have to subtract them and you will get the answer 1,24,246. Next question number 6. A man wants to buy a machine which cost rupees 4,23,000. He finds that he needs rupees 1,56,000 more than the amount of money he has. How much money does he have? Okay. The cost of the price of a machine is 4,23,000, and the man needs only 1,56,000 more. So he has, if we subtract these numbers, we will get the answer, and the answer is 2,67,000. Move to the next question number 7. The sum of two numbers is 9,87,654. One of them is 99,765. Find the other number. This is very easy. The sum of two numbers are given and one number is given. You have to find out the other number. Simply subtract them, and the answer is 8,87,889. Question number 8. What must be added to 60,789 to get 73,500 and 73,956? If we subtract these numbers, we get the answer 57,167. Question number 9. By how much is 6,04,378 greater than 5,67,999? Here you have to find out the difference. If we subtract these numbers, we get the answer 36,379. Number 10. What number must be subtracted from 4,56,782 to get 3,78,993? Here also, if we subtract the number, we will get the answer, and the answer is 77,789. Next, some mixed addition and subtractions are given here. Mixed addition and subtraction means in one equation you have to add and subtract. You do both addition and subtraction. In the first example, you can see an equation is given here. In this type of question, first you have to find out, the step 1 is add 7,123 with 333, and the answer, we will get the answer 7,456, and then subtract this 3,456 from 7,456. The answer is 400. Now see here, find this. Here you can find that first subtraction is given, so you have to subtract 489 from 1,167, and the answer is 678, and then add 3,105, and the answer is 3,783. Next, here you can see this number 2345, and you have to subtract this number from 6789, but it is not possible because this number is bigger than this number. So first you have to add this number and this number, and the answer is 7468. Now subtract this number from this, and the answer is 6679. And use this method when the second number, this number, is greater than this number. Okay, here you can see more than one addition and subtraction are given in one equation. So here you have to do that you have to find out the signs first. The step 1, that a number sign is that is placed in the left side of that number. একটা নাম্বারের সাইন মানে চিহ্ন সেটাই যেটা তার বাঁ দিকে বসে থাকে। ফর এক্সাম্পল ইউ ক্যান টেক 4367, এই নাম্বারটার সাইন হচ্ছে এই মাইনাস, বিকজ ইট ইজ প্লেসড ইন দ্য লেফট সাইড অফ দ্যাট নাম্বার। So first you have to find out which number have plus sign in the front, and this number have no sign in left side, and that means it has plus. এই সাইন, এই নাম্বারটার লেফট সাইডে কিছু সাইন নেই, তার মানে বোঝাচ্ছে এর সামনে প্লাস আছে। ঠিক আছে, সো ফার্স্ট উই হ্যাভ টু অ্যাড 1947 উইথ 5796, and the answer is 7743, 7743. And now these two number have minus sign in their left. First you have to add these numbers. If we add this, we get 4899, and then subtract these two results, and the answer is 2844. এরপর তোমাদের কি করতে হবে, এরপর দেখো এটাকে আমরা প্লাস, এই দুটো প্লাস আছে, এই দুটো নাম্বার আগে প্লাস আছে, সেজন্য আমরা এটাকে অ্যাড করলাম, দিয়ে এটা পেলাম। তারপর দেখো এই নাম্বার এবং এই নাম্বারটার সামনে মাইনাস সাইন আছে, তাহলে এই দুটোকেও আবার অ্যাড করতে হবে, অ্যাড করে এটা পেলাম। তারপর যে দুটো রেজাল্ট পেলাম আমরা, সেই রেজাল্ট দুটো সাবট্রাক্ট করে দেবে, তাহলেই অ্যান্সার বেরিয়ে যাবে। ওকে, এক্সারসাইজ 9. Some exercises are given here, equations. I write the answers of all this equation. You have to do by yourself, then check it with my answer. Okay, some word problems are given based on the mixed equation of subtraction and addition. Let's go to the exercise. The first one, Rishwaran get rupees 8460 as monthly salary from a private firm. He works as a part-time assistant in a printing press. His monthly income from that press is rupees 1345. His monthly expenditure is rupees 5230. How much does he have? Does he save every month? First we have to add his total income, and if we add this, we get 9805, and this his total, and then his total expenditure is 5203. So we have to subtract this number, and he save 4575 every month. Question number 2. Mr. Risby bought a house for rupees 4,25,000. He spent rupees 80,580 on printing and decorating the house. He sold the house for rupees 7,50,000. How much more money did he get than what he spent? Okay, first he brought the house in this price, and then he spent this price to decorate and painting the house. So his total cost of the house is 5,05,580, and he sold the house in 7,50,000. So what he gains? He get 2,44,420 more money than he had spent. Next, question number 3. Shop A has 1,200 packets of tea. Shop B has 180 packets, less than Shop A. Shop C has 325 packets more than Shop A. Altogether, how many packets of tea do these shops have? This number of packet Shop A has, so Shop B has this number of packet 1020, less than 120, less than A. So we have to subtract them, and B has 1525, and then add all these numbers, and we will get the answer, that is 3745. Next, question number 4. Mrs. Call earns 34,248 in a year. Mr. Call earns 24,526 more than Mrs. Call in a year. Their son Parveen earns 10,222 less than Mrs. Call in a year. How much do they earn altogether in a year? This is Mrs. Call's earning, and Mr. Call earn more than her. So we have to add this number, and Mr. Call's income is 58,774, and this is the their son Parveen's income is less than Mrs. Parveen, so we have to subtract them, and the answer is, and the income of Parveen is 24,026. Now add these three incomes of the family, and we will get the answer 1,70,048. Next, question number 5. The greater between two numbers is 6,480. The sum of the numbers is 10,580. Find their difference. Okay, among two numbers, the greater number is 6,480 and their sum is 10,580. So if we get the second number, if we want to get the second number, we have to subtract them, and we will get the second number 4,100. And if we want to get their difference, simply subtract them, and the difference is 2,380. Number 6. By how much is the sum of 8,263 and 9,152 greater than their difference? Okay, first we have to find out their sum and their difference, and then subtract their difference from their sum, and we will get the answer 16,526. Next, question number 7. What must be added to the difference of 90,205 and 11,905 to make it equal to their sum? Okay. Two numbers are given, and what must be added to their difference to make it equal to their sum? মানে দুটো নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে এবং এই দুটো নাম্বারের যে ডিফারেন্সটা আছে সেই ডিফারেন্সটা তাদের সামের সঙ্গে ইকুয়াল করার জন্য কত অ্যাড করতে হবে। তাহলে ফার্স্ট উই হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য সাম। দ্য সাম ইজ 31,155 and the difference is 7,345, and if we subtract the difference from the sum, we will get the answer, that is 23,810. Next, 8. Question number 8. What number must be subtracted from the sum of these two numbers to make it equal to the difference? Okay, this is the same as the previous one. First we have to find out their sum and then find out their difference, and then subtract their difference from the sum, and we will get the answer, and the answer is 37,580. Okay students, that's all for now. We will continue the class in the next session. Thank you.